Very good morning, guys. My name is Shivraj Singh Devupa, and I am a web developer. I have around 10 years of experience. I started with the mean stack development, that is MongoDB Express, Node, and Angular. And like as per the project's requirement, there was an opportunity for becoming a specialist. So I worked as an Angular specialist. So I was working like 4 to 5 years in Angular domain in international projects and especially of US region. And then I got an opportunity from past couple of years. I'm working as a React developer. So previously I worked as senior Angular developer and then now as a senior React developer. So as we know, both are very popular JavaScript frameworks. So one has to very good in JavaScript in order to work with these two frameworks and to excel upon these frameworks. So as per my experience, my 10 year of experience, I decided to teach to let's understand the concept of JavaScript first. So I have started this series. This series is named as Gen Z JavaScript. So we will be understanding the core concept and the important topics of JavaScript, and from there we will take up. Once we finish with the JavaScript, we will take up Angular and then React also, because I have expertise in these fields. So stay tuned, guys, and also please subscribe and share. So we will be starting with Gen Z JavaScript series, so where we will take up JavaScript first, and this will also help you in if you're experienced developer, it will help you in uh, improving your skills, improving your concept, which will help you in writing better and efficient code. And also it will help you to revise your concept to make you interview ready, right? So this is my goal. And so yeah, I always think that no one is having all the knowledge. Like, we as a coder, as a developer, we always keep on learning and improving ourselves. So while I will be teaching this, I will be uh, teaching, or I will be instructing you all these things. But I also want your feedback. Please comment on my videos so that we all can learn and grow in this field, right? So yeah, let's start. Let's start with the small app, that is time display. How we can display time uh, in React.js. So we'll be in the with the help of this React.js code. Here we will be continuously showing the updated time. So for this, what I've done, firstly I've simply created React.js boiler code. How I'm able to create it is using Vite. So you can directly create a React.js project by npm create vite @latest and then your project name. That's it. It will ask which framework, select React.js, and that's how it is created. And then move to the directory where the project is created, do npm install, and then npm run dev. Right? Only these four steps. So now, when the boiler code is created, in the boiler code, let's see. In boiler code, we have this source, so we have to go inside src. Inside src we have many files. So here we will go in app.jsx. So we know, we have seen in previous code, app.jsx gets loaded here in the html file, right? Index.html, if you see. So this root div here we are targeting, right? Main.jsx. See, in line number 6, it is targeting this root in index.html, and here we are rendering our app. So our app is getting rendered here. So inside this root, which is inside the index.html. So it is single page application, was always remember, and our app, this component, this functional component will be displayed over there. This app contains all the all the components in this in total. So all our components, whatever logic we are writing, will go inside app, and this app will get rendered inside this uh, index.html inside where this root ID is. And so if I go to app.jsx, what I have done, I have displayed here time display, right? And what is this time display? This is a selector for a component for our React.js functional component where I have written the logic to show you this state which you are seeing, which is continuously getting updated. So we have this wait plus a react, just a simple heading, and then a time which is continuously playing, and then a button to switch to 12-hour format or 24-hour format. So let's start with the main component then, time display, where we have all the logic. So in time display, first line is we are importing useEffect and useState. These are the hooks which are present to us from React packages. So these two hooks we have, and then we are starting with the functional component, that is time display. So time display time display, this is a functional component, and so in line number 3 we have started with this. So in line number 4 we have time and set time, and use state new date. So new, this time will hold the date object which is getting created with this new date, right? So new date returns us the current date object which have date, hours, everything, minutes, seconds. So this time will hold it, right? And set time is to change that this time. We can make changes in time, uh, this time variable, right? So this method we have set time. So if we use state this hook, this will return us an array, which is the first one which will hold the value, and second one will hold the second one is the function to update that time. Here we have time, that value, right? Similarly we are doing in the line number 5. Here we have using use state, it will return us an array. That array we are assigning it by destructurizing like this, is 24 hours, and set is 24 hours. Set 24 hours is a function, and is 24 hours is a state variable. So this contains this boolean value true, and with the help of set is 24 hour we can change it to false, or flip it. So and we have use effect. We know that it gets executed only once after the our this component is rendered. Okay, so on the page load, right? Remember like this, on the page load or on the mount, right? In React terminology, on the mount this will be called, and this is called only once because we have blank array here. If we provide something inside that array, um, we can provide comma separated values. So if those value changes, then this is getting called, but now we have nothing is there, right? This is empty array, so this means it will only be called at once when this component is getting loaded. Okay, when on mount of this component. So at that time what it will do on the page load, it will um, here we have const interval, variable of const type. So this will hold the reference to this set interval, right? So what is set interval? Set interval is a predefined method present to us from the, like, it is a browser method, and this will run every second. We have given 1000 millisecond, right? So every second it will run, and what it is doing, it is calling this function set time we have in line number 4. Remember this function I have, so that I can update this time. So what it is doing, it is updating uh, updating the time variable in line number 4 with the new date object, in every second, right? In every second. So as soon as it uh, updates time, because what set time is the method which is given to us in line number 4, which will update time with a new date, because time is a state variable, right? This state, whenever you update any state, the component re-renders. So it will look like the time is continuously running, but what is happening in each second, it is updating the time, and as soon as it updates, the component re-renders, right? That's why you are seeing the continuously running time here. So this is the main logic, how we are able to see the continuously running time, because every second we are updating the time. And then the main thing, to avoid the memory leak, in line number 10, we are returning a clear interval. We are doing a return method, and what we are doing, clear interval, and this interval reference that we have. So what it will do, whenever this component is on the unmount, so before just unmounting, it will call this, so that to avoid the memory leaks, it will clear it out, this reference. So this is how we can if we want anything to clear out, so for that purpose only we can use this return in the use effect to clear something on the unmount or do some operation on the unmount of that component. And then we have a function that is format time in line number 14. So this is how we can, this format you are seeing, right? The hours, minutes, and second. So what it is doing, so we are providing a data object. That data object, from that data object we can get hours, get minutes, get second. These are the predefined methods which will help us to get hours, minutes, and second, right? And then we have is 24 hours. So this is this format of 12 hours and 24 hours. So this format, if we have like greater than 12, then show PM or else AM, and then calculating it like this to convert it to switch to a different date format, right? We have two types here, 12 and 24. And padding is to align 0 to the left value. So it's to the single digit. So this is how we are using this pad. And yeah, so this is line number 28. And then the logic is over now, and then simply showing it in the HTML. So in line number 30, we are returning this. So wherever we are rendering this in our app component, so there it is returning this part from line number 30 till line number 43. This part is getting returned over here in line number 8. So here time display is rendering that part, right? This we already know. So here we have style. So font family, text align, margin top. This we have given just to style it. And then on line number 38, we have format this format time. We are calling this format time, this method, which is able to format this time and get us this way, hours, minute, and second. And then we have a button 39. So on click, we are changing it. We are changing the format, right? Switch to is 24 or 12 hours. So that's how we are on the toggle. This is a toggle kind of thing, or on click. So when you're clicking it, it will changing you to the 12-hour format and again to 24 hours. So this button is doing that, and that's it. And then we are exporting it. So we are exporting the time display. That's why inside app.jsx we are able to import it in line number second, and then we are able to display it like this. So guys, this is the whole explanation of this small but very important um, app, a small app to show the time. So I hope you are able to understand this, and in this Gen Z JavaScript series I'm able to cover the important uh, concept of ReactJS, Angular, and JavaScript. This is our aim. So thank you guys. Please keep sharing and keep commenting. And yeah, by commenting, we will engage and we will share more info in our comments. So keep doing that, keep sharing, and we'll see you soon in next upcoming videos. Thank you guys.